What if you could put an AI employee on Facebook, Reddit, YouTube, and X that comments, engages, and builds visibility for you 24/7 without you lifting a finger? That's the promise behind a brand new tool called Traffic OS AI, and today I'm giving you my honest, no-fluff review. I'll show you exactly what it does, who it's actually for, the real pros and cons, and why. If you're going to grab it, you should grab it through the link below, because I'm throwing in a bonus package you won't get anywhere else. Let's get into it. So what exactly is this thing? Traffic OS AI is a browser-based automation tool that deploys what it calls AI traffic workers, bots that run inside your own Chrome session and act across Facebook, Reddit, YouTube, and X. They're built on something called visual human mode, which basically means they read the page, scroll, type character by character, click buttons, and pause between actions, mimicking the way a real person browses, rather than firing off obviously scripted actions. On top of that, you get an AI content engine with 8 different comment and post styles, things like helpful, story, soft CTA, and Reddit style, so the tone can match whatever platform you're posting on. There's also a dashboard to track engagement and leads, and a done-for-you library of high-ticket affiliate offers if you don't have your own product to promote yet. The front-end version is a one-time payment of $37 with several optional upgrades, unlimited usage, done-for-you campaigns, agency/client management, and a white-label version if you want to resell it as your own SaaS. This is built with a specific person in mind: affiliate marketers, agencies, content creators, and small business owners who want more visibility and engagement on social platforms, but don't have the time or the budget to manage that manually or hire a social media team. If you're already running offers and just need consistent presence across platforms without babysitting every comment and post yourself, this fits that need. If you're brand new to marketing with no offer, no audience, and no strategy yet, this isn't going to be a magic fix. It's a traffic and engagement tool, not a business in a box. Let's talk about what I actually like here. Pro number 1, multi-platform from one dashboard. Instead of juggling 4 different tools or tabs for Facebook, Reddit, YouTube, and X, it's centralized in one place. Pro number 2, the human-like behavior design. A lot of automation tools are obviously bot-like. This one's built to move, type, and pause more naturally, which matters a lot if you care about your accounts staying in good standing. Pro number 3, low buy-in price. At $37 for the front end, it's an accessible entry point to test whether this workflow fits your business, without a huge upfront commitment. Pro number 4, built-in monetization path. The curated high-ticket offer library is a nice touch for people who want to start earning without building their own product first. Pro number 5, solid documentation. There's full video training included, so it's not just software with no onboarding. Now the honest part, because no product is perfect, and you deserve to know the downsides before you buy. Con number 1, platform risk is real. Facebook, Reddit, and X all have policies against automated or inauthentic engagement. Even with human-like behavior, mass automated commenting and following can still get flagged, and account bans are a genuine possibility if you push it too hard or too fast. Con number 2, the upsell funnel is heavy. The $37 front end is just the entry point. There are several upgrades, unlimited, elite mode, agency, white label, that push the total cost significantly higher if you want the full feature set. Con number 3, results aren't guaranteed. Like any traffic tool, it can create visibility and conversations, but it can't guarantee sales. That still depends on your offer, your niche, and how you follow up with real leads. Con number 4, it's a fresh launch. Because this just came out, there's limited long-term track record for how well accounts hold up or how consistent lead quality is over time. If after hearing all that, you think Traffic OS AI fits what you're building, here's why you should grab it through my link instead of anywhere else. When you buy through the link in the description, you'll get my exclusive bonus package. Insert your specific bonus details here, e.g., my private campaign templates, a done-for-you content style guide, and one-on-one setup support. Completely free on top of everything Traffic OS AI already includes. That bonus is only available through my link, so if you're going to invest in this, that's how you get the most value out of it. Link is right below this video. Use it wisely, start slow so your accounts stay safe, and let me know in the comments if you want a full walkthrough of the dashboard. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.